guys, today in this video we know about how much sand do I need for 6 foot by 6 foot sandbox. You have to find out the sand volume required for 6 by 6 sandbox. You have to calculate the sand quantity in cubic foot or in number of 50 pounds bags. First we understand about the sand bags. As you know that it is box that containing sand for children to play and make fun with the sand. Here you have 6 by 6 foot sandbox. First we make a rough diagram to understand about the different dimension for this sandbox. This one is rough diagram, and all the perimeter of sandbox is covered with 4 inches by 4 inches lumber, and this is surrounding area covered with 4 inches by 4 inches dimensional lumber. And this one is the length of the sandbox, which is given 6 foot. This is width of sandbox, which is given 6 foot, and this one is depth section of the sandbox, which is about 8 inches, and this one is the playing area for children to play. This one is playing area, and you have to fill this space with the sand material, and their depth is about 8 inches for the sandbox, but you don't need to fill the sand all the top. It is good idea to leave the some space at the top. That's why the recommended depth for sand to fill is about 6 inches, which is equal as half feet. And if you want to calculate the required sand volume, use the formula for calculation sand volume. You just multiply length in foot, width in foot, and thickness in foot. Here is the length 6 multiply 6, and the thickness is half cubic foot. This will come about 18 cubic foot. It means your question, how much sand do I need for 6 by 6 sandbox? Your answer is you need approximately 18 cubic foot of sand for this sandbox. And if you want to calculate number of 50 pound bags, the generally playing sands, this one is playing sand bag. Sand bag, it comes in 50 pounds, and each sand bags yields volume about half cubic foot. Remember this one, each 50 pound bags of playing sands yields volume about half cubic foot. And your question is, how many 50 pound bags of playing sands do I need for 6 by 6 sandbox? You calculate like this: number of 50 pounds bags of playing sand, you just need to multiply the volume in cubic foot, which is 18 by 2. This will come about 36 bags. It means, how much sand do I need for this sandbox? You need the volume of sand, which is about 18 cubic foot, or if you purchase 50 pound playing sand, then you need 36 bags of playing sand. Thank you.